Okay, let's get started. In this video, we will discuss about how to make money on YouTube. So, YouTube stars are today self-made celebrities, people who have earned an audience by getting video content geared towards teaching, entertaining, reviewing, and being awesome on the web. So, money making on YouTube might be not your reason for starting a channel, but the opportunity to earn a pleasant surprise once you realize how many of them there are. Luckily, there are some creative ways to make money on YouTube. So we will discuss one by one. Your audience might unlock your YouTube channel earning potential, as is often the case with Instagram influencers or bloggers. But the creation of multiple revenue streams through the side hustle or businesses that helps you make money. So the first point is join YouTube partnership program. The first revenue stream you will explore in ads. Whether you want to earn money on YouTube without creating video or as a content creator. Joining the YouTube partner program and setting up a monetization is a vital step. So you will have to agree to follow the all YouTube monetization policies and live in a country or region where the YouTube partnership program is available. Then you can apply for the monetization once you have hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours over the past years. So how to enable the monetization on YouTube? So the first step is sign in to the YouTube account you want to monetize. Click the icon for your account in the top right corner. So click on the YouTube Studio. In the left menu, select Other Features Monetization. Read and agree to the YouTuber partner program's terms and eligibility requirements. Create a Google AdSense account or connect with an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to get paid. So the seventh point is set up your monetization preference. Once they're done, head back to the dashboard and click the Analytics tab on the left side. From there, you will need to choose the revenue from the tabs at the top. Then scroll down to the chart Monthly Estimated Revenue to get an idea of your predicted YouTube revenue. So, what is YouTube Premium? YouTube Premium is a paid membership program that lets fans watch and support their favorite content creators without ads. For creators, not much changes as they will get paid for content consumed by non-member of YouTube, along with the content on YouTube Premium. So the creators are paid for YouTube Premium based on how much members watch their content. Consider the earned revenue from the YouTube Premium subscriber as a secondary revenue stream, in addition to what you are already earning through ads. While it is easy to set up earning money through advertising as a YouTube partner, is a far from the most lucrative revenue stream you can create for yourself.